Good afternoon, and welcome to our webinar, ScripTouch, Electronic Signature Capture. My name is Joshua Levey, and I'm the CEO of Computime, your trusted source for e-signature capture solutions. Today's webinar is the 6th in our Beyond Brand series, intended to introduce you to the new product lines and vendors that Computime has partnered with. More and more companies are looking to eliminate paper in the signature process. To address questions about which hardware and software products are the best fit, Computime, the trusted source for e-signature capture products, has been hosting a series of webinars designed to educate customers, resellers, ISVs, and distribution channel partners about our expanded line of electronic hardware and software. This series has proved to us that there is still a great need for information on integrating paperless processes that include electronic signatures. Once again, I'd like to take a minute to thank our marketing partner, CMS Solutions. They've done a remarkable job with marketing and recruiting attendees for these webinars. And a special thanks to our video partner, Fat Chimp Studios, who is helping us bring a higher quality video representation of our presentation. Today, we are spotlighting the e-signature hardware of Scriptel Corporation, based in Columbus, Ohio. Founded in 1982, Scriptel quickly became industry leaders in digitizer components and electronic signature capture. They were the first to create a computer accessory named the pen writer, which had a backlit LCD display. For the first time, this allowed users to capture writing on their computers. Today, Scriptel Corporation is the leader in capacitive pen digitizing technology, which creates the ability to electronically mimic pen and paper. The company holds many patents in technology that have been deployed in more than 3 million solutions around the world over the past 30 years. Scriptel has expanded their brand by developing capacitive touch systems that can be integrated into a wide variety of devices. Today's focus will be discussing why you should integrate electronic signature capture into your business and 2 of the most popular ways to integrate signature pads into your workflow: standard integration and Scriptel's web integration, which eliminates the support needed to maintain operating system compatibility, as well as Java plugins and ActiveX controls. This live webinar will last approximately 25 minutes and promises to get your company on its way to integrating the right solution for your organization. I'm happy to welcome our guest presenters today, Steve Allyn, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Scriptel, and Cody Jenkins, Director of Marketing. Steve has more than 25 years of experience in senior management and manufacturing operations, and has developed a reputation as an individual who excels in creating, conserving, and managing corporate resources. With an extensive engineering background, Steve has been an integral part of new product development and has created successful customer service initiatives that have increased Scriptel's customer retention. Cody Jenkins. Cody's knowledge of the electronic signature pad industry contributes to Scriptel's offerings of exceptional products, integrating into numerous industries. With more than 8 years of experience working with advanced technology, Cody is capable of meeting customers' needs to determine the best solution for their business operations. Without further ado, I'm going to turn the presentation over to Steve and Cody. Steve, thanks for joining us, and let's take it away, Steve.
Well, thanks, Josh. I really appreciate you giving us this opportunity to share our product line with you. Today, I'm going to cover 4 of our flagship products that span from our entry level into more advanced products. But first, I'd like to take just a minute and talk about Scriptel. Founded in 1982, has a headquarters in Columbus, Ohio. You know what? That's an important thing. It's an American company, and I believe in that. And I believe that that's something that we need to strive further towards. We have our engineering and development in Rochester, New York. We have a marketing team and sales team in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And we're known for our world-class quality, and that's part of that being an American company. And we are the leaders in the capacitive touch technology. And people say, well, how do you know that? Well, I do know this, that if you're over 21 years old, you've probably used our products in one of these many locations. We have over 3 million installations throughout the globe right now. And it spans a lot of industries. You know, we're in the healthcare industry, we're in government, we're in the retail industry, consumer, and in the financial industry also. And what's made us so successful is the durability of our product. You know, what we do is we take that sensor and we connect it to the bottom side of a piece of glass. With our technology, we're able now to give you a glass signing surface on all of our products, give you things like palm rejection, high scratch durability, and a protected sensor. And that solution is what's made us a world-class company, being able to let us guarantee all of our products for 3 years with a rapid return. And of course, the innovativeness of our team is what also has carried us further. I'd like to take a minute and have Cody tell us a little bit about a special integration package that we have. Cody?
Thanks, Steve. You know, many of our customers include developers that integrate our signature pads into their application in order to accept electronic signatures. We've created 2 paths for integration in all of our products to support this effort. This includes the traditional software development kit, common to our industry, and a new interface that we designed especially for web applications. The standard traditional model of integration method supported many of the common programming languages in Windows platforms. So we support C++, C#, Visual Basic, and F#. Some of the benefits of this integration, which we still provide, is two-way communication, which allows graphical modifications on the device, display, as well as real-time signature and button capture. However, before I go into describing our new web interface, I'd kind of like to lay the groundwork for the current landscape when integrating a signature capture device into web applications. In the past, communicating with a signature capture device required the use of Java plugins or ActiveX controls. Because of the ever-changing landscape of operating systems, plugins, and web browsers, supporting some of these web applications required a great deal of development support, customer support on the back end, and just a lot of resources. End user support also became difficult as each operating system and a web browser could create unforeseen technical difficulties that you just couldn't plan for. Our solution was to eliminate the need for plugins and ActiveX controls to allow the signature pad to communicate directly with the web browser. We do this by emulating a keyboard and passing signature data directly to the browser using built-in drivers common to all major operating systems. The end result is a user experience that requires no additional hardware, no additional client software, and greatly reduces the level of resources required to support signature capture within the web application. The ScripTouch web interface provides a few unique features. We include native support for Windows, Mac, and Linux. We don't need workarounds like serial to USB converters, for example. We have a direct communication. There's no need, again, for software to be installed on your client device. In many cases, it's plug and play. You plug the unit in, there's no software to set up. As soon as the system recognizes and applies the drivers and hear it, you're ready to go. One caveat to the system is that our signature pads become a one-way communication device. So this does mean any graphical modifications must be hard-coded in the firmware. We found that most developers really just need to accept signature data, and this method just saves countless hours of support and commitment. We have more information on this on our website. Feel free to check out our ScripTouch web interface ebook. And as always, we offer direct developer-to-developer support, so please contact your Computime rep and we'll get you connected.
Great, thanks Cody, and I think Steve, you got some introduction of the technology itself and talk about the flagship products?
Yeah, thank you, Cody. I appreciate it. Let's start with what I call the 1400. What we call the 1400. The 1400 is a non-LCD signature pad, has a 1x5 glass surface. We have signature customization on it. Has a USB connector. It doesn't require batteries. By the way, all of our pens don't require a battery, so there's no batteries to be replaced. Every product that we have is covered by a 3-year warranty, and that's part of that being a world-class American company. And it has proven durability. As a matter of fact, you'll see on our website, if you go there, we've actually taken 2 gallons of water and poured it all over signature pads, wiped it off and signed it. As a matter of fact, we were joking around earlier. I had a customer that spilled a Coke all over one. And then you thought, well, that's the end of that. But you know what they did, Josh? They actually poured water on it to clean the Coke off. And the thing still works. So felt good about that. And then our oldest product, which is the 1500 series. The 1500 is an LCD, 1x5 glass surface. It has signature customization. It has the USB connector on it. Once again, no batteries are required. It's got a 3-year warranty with a rapid return and proven durability. And you might ask, well, what's that rapid return? Well, if you have any one of our products that fails and you make that phone call by 2 in the afternoon, chances are you have, by 10:30 in the morning, a brand new unit sitting on your desk. And we'll work out the details of the other product later on. Next is our 1525, 1526. The 1526 is the web version that Cody was talking about. It has a backlit LCD. It has a card swipe on it, and that's PCI compliant. It's got a signature pad, 1x5 glass surface, signature customization. It has a USB connection. Once again, no batteries are needed. It's really durable. And we back that up with a 3-year warranty on the product with a rapid return on it. When I say PCI compliant, we don't capture any data inside of the unit, and therefore we have the freedom to just pass that on. And then the latest product that we have, it's kind of an exciting product. We call it On-the-Go Signature Pad.
And Steve, you brought one with you?
I did.
know that our webinar audience, the audio audience can't see it, but let's see what it looks like.
I did. It actually looks like this. And here it is, ready to go. It's got a lit LCD screen on it. It's a compact size, as you can see. It's a glass writing surface. We can customize the signature on it. Has USB connector for both the pen and into the computer. Has a 3-year warranty. No batteries are needed. And this is a great product. And anybody that's in mobile sales can keep this product around and carry it conveniently in any other applications. And once again, and we'll get back to this, is probably the heart of the way that we manufacture our product. We're really proud of it. You know, we were the first ones in the marketplace to offer 3-year warranty, and I know that people are starting to follow us around now. But you know what? We warranty it for 3 years. We have a rapid response program. We back it up with Computime's rapid response, so you're not having to deal with separate people. All of these things, when we combine them together, what they do is they create what we call a world-class package. You know, we have glass surfaces so they don't wear out. We have best-in-class signature that we're proud of. You can take a PDF document and load it up with a lot of signatures. It doesn't slow down the computer at all. I know that some people do. We've put 8, 10, 12 on a page, and it doesn't slow it down. We support you with software guys right in the United States of America in Columbus. We support your marketing team if you need help. We support that in Minneapolis. And if you need help from some of our other people, we've got Columbus, and of course, there's Computime. And that completes that circle of customer care. And everything is wrapped up with a 3-year warranty, with a no-hassle, quick return on it. So those are our 4 flagship products. We have others, but these are the ones that make sense. And we're looking forward to sharing them with you in the industry.
Steve, great. And we're going to open it up to our audience questions. Please submit those questions in the live chat. I've got a few questions and some things that I've been watching and noticed here. Real quickly, the nomenclature of the part numbers. I noticed every one of your part numbers had 2 part numbers, a 1550 and a 1551, and the 25 and the 26. Can you explain to our audience just a bit about the nomenclature of the part numbers?
Exactly. So the 1500 is our regular unit, and the 1501, that's our web-based unit. So same thing with the 1400 and the 1401. The 1550 and the 1551. The only product that differed from that is the 1525, and guess what? 1526 is the web-based product.
Got it. So each product has a web-based version and a non-web-based version.
Exactly.
And Cody, I'm going to turn this over to you. How difficult is the integration for the web versus the non-web application?
Well, Josh, you might spend a little bit more effort right at the forefront of integrating a web interface device. In the past, you were able to capture a signature just by querying the device and collecting an image file. With ours, you're going to do a little more effort. You're going to accept the X and Y coordinate data, and we're going to help you create that image file with our documentation. What you'll get from that at the end is actually less support down the road.
So, and when you say less support, it's literally a user could use a signature pad with no software installed on their PC or at their local machine.
Correct. No more technical support calls coming in saying, how do I get this to work?
So the signature pad, you can sign a document via the web browser. Very, very interesting. And the integration is, everybody knows Computime's place in the marketplace. So we get this question a ton, and it's coming through. How easy is it to switch from one vendor, an existing vendor of signature pads, to the new vendor, Scriptel?
Well, sure. We realize there can be some pain points, so we offer direct developer-to-developer support. We're committed to your success, and we'll put some resources behind that.
Gotcha. So they're here to help in terms of the software integration. And Steve, it sounds like you're standing by your product in terms of durability. The video of the pad, water pouring on the pad, the warranty is unmatched in the industry.
Yeah, like I said, there are a couple people now that are coming out with that. Our products are so durable. I'm not going to do it, but I've seen guys throwing them across the room,
Sure. And we have a question about the pads with the swipe, the card swipe. Mm-hmm. I believe that's the 1525 and the 1526. Are these PC compliant?
Yes, they're PC compliant. We do not store any data on our signature pad, so it passes right through.
And that has the follow-up question is, does it save credit card information in the machine?
No.
And the answer is no. And can you use the 1525 and 1526 to swipe other, just credit cards, debit cards with?
Yes, anything that has a 3-track on it, so you can put your driver's license through there, anything with a magnetic strip that's compliant.
Perfect. What kind of, share a typical application that we're going to see these signature pads? Cody, Steve?
Yeah, Cody was just working with somebody.
Yeah, so one of the benefits of the web interface device, we had a customer that was looking at supporting the entire landscape. So they had users that were using Windows. They had some that were on Mac, maybe a few on Linux. They were using all the kinds of different web browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari. And they saw a major problem ahead of them. If they were going to really support their customers well, they had to prepare for as many different situations as they could and the ever-changing landscape. So they set aside dedicated resources. They actually created 40 different virtual computers, virtual machines, the equivalent of 40 different workstations, and they were going to be committed to long-term support with that. Our solution eliminated that, and now they've had a very successful run.
Sounds exciting and very interesting. Steve, what's new on the horizon for Scriptel?
We have a couple products that are coming out that are really exciting. Probably the one that's most exciting to all of us is what we're calling the ST6000, which will be the first unit that'll be able to spread across a whole array of products. And we're not quite ready to tell the world about it yet, but we have talked to one customer who literally will save millions of dollars by buying it. So we're really excited about that.
So the details are a little bit top secret, but what about the software side of things as well? Top secret as well?
Well, you'll be hearing about a software system that that our team has just finished. Those guys are just brilliant, so we'll be looking at a plug and play, and that'll be available very soon. Probably within a week or so, we'll be making an announcement.
Great. I've got time for one final question. Do you charge extra besides the device cost for web integration? So is it just I buy the device? Is there SDKs involved that I have to pay for?
You buy the device. Okay, we've got the SDKs on the website, and for assistance and integration, we're going to work with you and your integrator.
Perfect. Unfortunately, we're out of time. We will answer more questions in our follow-up. Thank you again for joining us. And like I said, that is all the time we have for today's presentation. As a follow-up to our webinar, we will be sending out a recording and the slide deck you just viewed, as well as answering some of those questions we didn't have time to get to. Again, I'd like to thank our guest presenter, Steve Allyn, who traveled to St. Louis from Minneapolis, Minnesota to join us in person today, and also to Cody Jenkins for providing support in this presentation. A special thanks to our marketing partner, CMS Solutions, for putting together this webinar and recruiting all of the attendees. And a special thanks also to Fat Chimp Studios for taking this recording to the next level. We have another webinar scheduled for Thursday, August 29th, and 2 more scheduled for September. Look for announcements of those on the Computime website as well as in your inbox. Appreciate your time. This has been a live webinar presentation brought to you by Computime.